Hello 10th grade students. Today we are going to take Unit 1 that talks about rainforests. Okay, before we start reading the paragraphs about rainforest, we have to know what is the meaning of rainforest. Okay, and what is the features or what is the feature of rainforest. So, before we start with this, we have to know what is the meaning of rainforest in Arabic. It means الغابات الماطرة. Okay, now rainforests characterized by a rainfall all the year. Okay, and the place in a tropical place. So, rainforests, its name from rain. So because of the rainfall all the year. So let us read the paragraph and explain each paragraph of this unit. Okay. Now the bright colors of birds, the call of monkeys, and the hum of insects are common sights and sounds on a tropical rainforest. The bright colors of birds. Bright, it means what? The اللمعان. Okay, لمعان. Colors of birds. The call of monkeys. النداء من monkeys and the hum of insects. Now the word hum, it describes the sounds. Okay, بتوصف صوت الحشرات. The insects are common sights. Okay, now hum, it's not a word with a meaning. Okay, it's a word that describes a sound. Describes a sound. Okay, sounds of whom? Sounds of insects are common sights and sounds on a tropical rainforest. Now sights and sounds. الأصوات sights اللي هم إشارات. Now tropical rainforests. Tropical اللي هي الاستوائي. Rainforest grow near the equator. Now equator is a place. Grow, it means تنمو, where it is always warm and wet. Where عائدة على الإكواتور, مكان ما بينمو مكان ما بيكون فيه عنا warm. okay, بيكون عنا دفء وبيكون عنا wet رطوبة. and perfect habitat اللي هو المسكن. okay, أو المأوى for plants and animals, للنباتات ولا الحيوانات. Now we have a place, its name is in Papua Guinea. Okay, so we are going to the second paragraph. In Papua New Guinea, scientists have just discovered a new rainforest. Okay, it means لقد اكتشفوا للتو a new rainforest. اكتشفوا غابة ماطرة جديدة. It has existed. وجدت for many thousands of years at the top of the mountain. على سفح من الجبل. It has always been very difficult to reach. Even the people who live in the slopes of Mount Pusabi have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. It's very high up at over 2,500 meters above sea level. And it is hidden inside the hull of a huge volcano. So let us read it again and explain it. In Papua New Guinea, scientists have just discovered a new rainforest. It has existed for many thousands of years. Okay, now they have just discovered. Okay, just now discovered. بس هي كانت موجودة for many thousands of years, من آلاف السنين. It has always been very difficult. It's عائدة على مين? It's a pronoun that refers to the rainforest, to the new rainforest. Okay? Now it has always been very difficult to reach. ودايما كان من الصعب إنه أي حدا يوصلها to reach. Even the people who live in the slopes of Mount Pusavi have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. Rarely بمعنى نادرا ما كانوا بيزوروه هاي الهيدن اللي هي المتخفية أو المختبئة. It's very high up. أول شي كانت كتير عالية at over 2,500 meters above sea level على مستوى البحر. And it's hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. كانت أصلا هي hole of a huge volcano, بحفرة أو بالفتحة تبعت الفولكانو نفسه. Okay. Now we have the next page. At the next page we have in 209. Okay, let us continue. In 2009 CE, an international team of scientists visited Mount Pusavi and discovered an amazing world of plants. And animals there. They discovered many colorful tiny frogs, some unusual species of fish, rare bats and spiders, a kangaroo that looked like a small bird, and a giant rat that was as big as a cat. Altogether, the scientists found more than 14 new species of animals as well as many rare of new plants. Today, though, this beautiful hidden world is in danger. Logging has already begun in the area. The loggers have already destroyed a lot of trees in the area, but they haven't reached the slopes of Mount Pusavi yet. The scientists hope that their findings can help to protect the area. Let us read from the first and explain it. In 2009 CE, an international team of scientists. Now we have international team from scientists من العلماء visited Mount Pusavi. زاروا Mount Pusavi اللي هي فيها the new rainforest and discovered an amazing world of plants and animals there. واكتشفوا عالم رائع من النباتات والحيوانات الموجودة هناك. There عائدة على مكان اللي هو rainforest أو Mount Pusavi. They discovered أو اللي هي rainforest الموجودة بماونت Pusavi بس معناها هون there عائدة على Mount Pusavi. They discovered many colorful اللي هي الملونة. Okay, tiny frogs اللي هي الضفادع tiny اللي هي الصغيرة. Some unusual غير طبيعية species of fish اللي هي المخلوقات. Rare bats and spiders الخفيش النادرة and spiders. A kangaroo that looked like a small bear. وكمان كان في عنا كانجارو بيشبه الدب الصغير. And the giant عملاق رات اللي هو جردون عملاق that was as big as cat. Altogether, the scientists found more than 40 new species. وجدوا أكثر من 40 مخلوق من animals as well as many rare of new plants. وكمان كان في عنا rare اللي هو نادر من النباتات الجديدة. Today اليوم though this beautiful hidden world, هذا العالم الجميل المختبئ is in danger. أكيد راح يكون بخطر because of whom? Because logging has already begun in the area. لأنه قطع الأشجار بلش بالمنطقة. The loggers have already destroyed a lot of trees. والloggers لقد دمروا العديد من الأشجار في هذه المنطقة. But they haven't reached the slopes of Mount يسابي yet. بس لا ما وصلوا السلوبس اللي هي الموجودة بماونت يسابي بعد. The scientists hope that their findings can help to protect the area. والعلماء بيتأملوا إنه موجوداتهم أو اكتشافاتهم تقدر تساعد بإنه to keep this amazing world. Okay, so now you have to answer the questions at page 3 and 4. Okay, page 3 we have vocabulary. You have to read the vocabulary and memorize them. After that we have comprehension at page 4. You have to read them and what? Read the paragraph and answer the questions about this paragraph. So thank you.